dear public. Welcome to a new program of Saving the World. As we know, every year Greenpeace Association makes the list impacts that receive the environment. Among the most serious environment disasters that threaten biodiversity are oil spills in rivers, seas, and oceans. It's why today the program is devoted to this topic. The principle to start is to know which is an oil spill, which is a discharge of this hydrocarbon that occurs due to an accident or improper practice. But statistics shows that 3,800 millions of liters enter to the oceans every year as a result of human activities. Of this, only 8% is due to a natural process, of this 22% international operational discharges from ships, 12% of ships, another 36% wastewater discharge.
3.
This is really worrying because how long does the oil impact last on the ecosystem? This impact can have an effect of decades. As an example, we have Prestige spill could be still on the last a year later. The second example is 10 years after the Exxon Valdez oil spill, fish and chicks are still exposed to the hydrocarbon. And that's why we should care. I'll leave you with my partner Blanca Sanchez to explain to us.
The effects that petroleum has in the sea is the banks of lakes reduces the area where photosynthesis is possible by plants. So that's why some species by plants diet, because they get minerals from the petroleum that are toxic. So when an animal from the sea eat them, they get the same minerals and the same damage, include when they had a contact with the petroleum or some minerals like that, they get the damage, and when we eat them we get the same damage, include we can diet, and because that mineral sometimes it can be strong.
The oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico had reached more than 1,515 kilometers and have been going forward to the east from Louisiana coast to Alabama and Mississippi. British petroleum technicians have been making all possible things to stop the spill, and for that they use underwater robotic vehicles that were submerged in the Gulf of Mexico to more than 1.5 kilometers of depth. There is no doubt that the unlucky event ended up as an environmental disaster and left the world surprised for the oil sick that it left. Although it had been almost 5 years since the spill, and we can say that the consequences have been devastating. Despite that, the stains have been disappearing. You still can find dead bodies of fishes, dolphins and turtles. And some scientists affirm that the oil has affected food, and a lot of people who live in that area have been getting sick. Well, as you know, the water has been polluted by the oil.
Hello, today I showed you about the different possible solutions for this problem that is very frequent for negligence of the corporation. One solution is the machine for petroleum processing, and this machine it works with biochemic, and this process reduce the petroleum until this won't be water. Other solution is the straw. This product is very efficient because absorb in natural form all the petroleum in the water. Other similar product or things, it's the hair and the petrohel. This material is more usual with this problem. The last solution that today I present is the famous mesh. The purpose with this mesh is filter the water and and stir the petroleum at the same time. This solution it's very good because you because the corporation don't taking the ecosystem of the animals in the oceans. Well, I hope that this information are interesting for the people. And thanks.